In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your WordPress site on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Whether you're starting fresh or need to troubleshoot some lingering issues, a reset can help. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Hostinger's website. It's the foundation for everything we'll be doing today, being the host of your WordPress site. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Hostinger URL, or simply click through if you've got it bookmarked. Once the page loads, you'll want to look towards the top corner for the login button. Go ahead and click on that to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Hostinger home dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing all aspects of your website. Think of it as mission control. Now locate the Manage button adjacent to your website listing. Clicking Manage will take you deeper into the settings panel of your current hosting plan. The next step is to focus on the database side of things, which is crucial for a complete reset. Look for the option labeled Databases in your control panel. Clicking on Databases will bring up a list of all databases associated with your account. From here, you're just a few clicks away from a complete reset. Now locate the Management section. This is critical because it houses the functions necessary to delete your current database. Be warned, deleting the database will erase all your current content, so double check and ensure you really want to proceed before doing so. Always good to have a backup. Once you're sure, go ahead and delete the database. This action is final and it will entirely reset your WordPress site to its original state. And that's it, you've successfully reset your WordPress website on Hostinger. This process effectively wipes the slate clean, allowing you to start anew without any of the previous settings or content impacting your fresh setup. This session took us through setting up a clean slate, essential for those times when you need a fresh start or are troubleshooting persisting errors. Before we wrap things up, remember that resetting a WordPress site is a significant step. It's essential to consider the implications such as data loss unless you've backed up your site beforehand. Use these steps wisely and when truly necessary. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.